Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Review. In this video, I will show you how to fix notifications not working on Google Chrome. If Chrome is not showing notifications from websites like Gmail, YouTube, Facebook or any other site, then follow this step-by-step solution. First of all, open Google Chrome. Now go to the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. From here, click on Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. After that, click on Site Settings. Now scroll down and look for Notifications. Click on Notifications to open it. Here you will see a setting called Default Behavior. Make sure you select Sites can ask to send notifications, and do not select Don't allow sites to send notifications. That's it. Your notification problem in Google Chrome should now be fixed. Now try visiting the website again and allow the notifications. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Tech Review. And let me know in the comments if your Chrome notifications are working now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.